Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add Satoshi Panda to your Trust Wallet. Let's get started. First, open the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. On the home screen, tap the Manage Crypto option. Next, in the search bar, type Satoshi Panda. When it appears in the list, simply toggle the switch next to it to enable it. Now, go back to your home screen. You should now see Satoshi Panda listed among your tokens. Tap on it to open the token's details. Then tap Receive. You'll see your wallet address and a QR code. You can use this address to receive Satoshi Panda from another wallet or exchange. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.